Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. Doing a video here for everybody on explanation, visual exploration of clean and simple chart patterns. You know, they always say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, I'm going to show you, 10, 20,000 words. We'll take a little time, but we're going to do it right. I was an IBD Up co-leader for years. I love teaching people about charts. But it goes beyond that. I'm also big on stock selection. You can find a good chart, but if it's in a crummy group and it doesn't have numbers, the odds of it working aren't that great. We combine two very important variables. Fundamentals, in other words, great earnings and or great sales in a great group, and technicals, the chart. Here's an example. When we talk about clean and simple, if you have to look for the pattern, it's probably not there. You can just see, and it doesn't need to be a cup and a handle. I'm going to share something with you. If you wait for the cup and a handle pattern, you're going to starve to death. We look for other patterns that are easy to see, easy. Like right here. This stock's basically going sideways. This isn't anything fancy. Just connect the tops. Connect the tops. The more tops you connect, the better. Just connect the highs and advance it. Again, it's just simple. Connect the high here and here. Say, oh, okay, let's see what it can do. Oh, and it starts to push up through that top, through that line on a pickup in volume. What do? You buy. And you get this. Okay, do they all do this? No, nothing works all the time, which is why we have good money management principles. But overall, it works more times than not. You get out the last shares here. It's just a simple move. That's what we're after. I'm going to show you another example. I'm going to do some current one, but I'll do some older ones even. This works over and over. By the way, people can say, Patrick, why does it work? I'll share this with you. Charts are a reflection of human emotions. Complacency, fear, greed, panic, all reflected in the charts. That's panic. That's panic. And we manage it accordingly. Note this, longer base. Let's do another one real quick, okay? We'll do a couple of these. I'm even going to go back in time. Look at this. This is way back. You say, why are you going all the way back? Because history repeats itself. This is back in 2017. You connect the tops going across here. It's simple. By the way, I made a note. Earnings were up 325% before we bought. Stock's just going sideways. Can it push through that line on a pickup in volume? Yes, it does. And we bought. And it goes on up. Isn't that nice? Right here, close to a 50% move. And there it is, more than 50%. Is that sweet? Now, are you going to sell at the top? No, but we ride trends. Notice how this stock walked up the 8-day. In fact, I dare you to defy you, challenge you to tell me a bar that it closed below the 8-day in this whole run. Is that beautiful? I love that. That's what we're after. Something like that. I'm going to show you, I'll show you another one from current times. Advanced Micro Devices. It's just going sideways. You see, I connect the high here and connect the highs here. A couple of bars. The more bars that do it, the better. Go side. Oh, and it pushes through on volume. That's what we're after. Another example. Current one. Alibaba has a cup. This is a handle formation. If it pushes through these tops here with volume, you buy. And it did. And it does this. Is that beautiful? We like that. You could say, oh, that's pretty nice. But I want to show you a great tactic. A lot of people are just focused on daily charts. Team, it's very important to look at weekly too. Look at that. This had a cup, and it was forming a little handle on the weekly, Alibaba. And what's it do? Advance it a week. And it lifts through on a volume pickup. And it does this. Isn't that nice? Do they all do this? No, I'm not saying that. But when we find clean and simple tight, orderly chart formations, it increases our odds that we're going to have a winner over and over. And again, why? Because it is a reflection of human emotions. Fear, greed, complacency, panic. And we are always looking for examples of stocks that fit that criteria. This has been grinding up, but look at back here. Lifted through here, spot here. We can go to the daily. It's a deep cup, right? There's a deep cup. But you go here. And what did this have? It's pretty simple, actually. All right? I'll draw it for you here. And it's not going to allow me to. Draw a line right there, and it connected through these tops, and it lifted off. And there it goes. It was a past keyless stock. I'm sorry, the icon's covered where I can't draw the line, and for that I apologize. Maybe I can catch it. Let me try it. There we go. And it lifted through. Had a volume pickup there. And it marches up. That was a past keyless stock. That's what we're like. Do they all work? No, team, I have to stress. No, it doesn't work all the time. But more times than not, it does work. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for patterns that everybody can see. Why? It increases the odds that they will buy also. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. What we're looking for. Clean and simple charts. I could probably go through and show you other examples from the past. Let's see if I can find another one in here. INMD. Right there. Clean and simple. And off it goes. That's what we're looking for. Things like this. I could show you another one. Keys. Past keyless stock. Right there. Just connect the tops. I'll do this for you. It's going sideways. Right through here. Connect those tops. I'll do this for you to make it easier. There's a high point here. There's a high point there. Goes up. Look at that. Runs up near it on a pickup in volume. Oh, if it can just push through these lines. Wouldn't that be great? That'd be really neat. Check it out. It does it. It's hard to believe that was almost a year ago we did this. Right here. January 7th. January 7th. Lifted through on a pickup in volume. You know what I call that? I call that nice. Very, very nice. That is what we're looking for. Anyway, I wanted to share it with you. My goal is not just to give ideas. Anybody can give ideas. It's to train people on what to look for. That will help you. Train our eyes, train our mind. If you could say, Pat, give it to me in a nutshell. Here we go. Leading groups, leading stocks that have either great earnings and or great sales, in a clean and simple chart pattern that a sixth grader can understand, and with simple lines, and it pushes through the tops on a volume pickup. You combine those variables together, and you have a recipe for consistently making money without doing a bunch of crazy day trade stuff. You can let them work. You can let them work. Anyway, I know this video went a little longer, but this to me is very important. I thank you very much, and I hope this helps you.